and welcome to Netstar. We're excited to be working with you. In this short video, we'll explain some quick facts about our company and demonstrate how to use our services. As your new IT partner, we provide you with fully managed IT support, covering all your business needs. Our top priority is to enable you to succeed through technology. We provide on-site and remote support Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Our out-of-hours service is also available in the event of an emergency. If you have an IT issue, you can raise a service request, email or call us. For urgent issues, we recommend calling 0207 1010 545. And for non-urgent issues, we recommend using our innovative desktop and mobile app IT support panel. Look for the green IT button in your cache tray at the bottom right of your screen, or located on your desktop. IT support panel works on Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. On a mobile device, you need to download the app so you can start using it. With IT support panel, you can raise a service request, take a screenshot, access your account, provide feedback, read the latest news, and access your company apps. It's the quickest way to access all our IT support services. In order to get the best possible support from us, there are a few things you can do to help. Make sure your requests are clear, providing as much supporting information as possible. Communicate positively and focus on working together. Remember, we are here to help you. Thank you for watching. We are really looking forward to working with you.